The Oracle's promise. Some journeys don't just take you somewhere new. They change the way you see everything. Far from the noise, beyond the ordinary, lies a world untouched. A place where time slows, and where in stillness, nature reveals its voice. Here, each sunrise brings more than light. It brings presence, the kind that slows your breath, softens your thoughts, and opens your heart. This is more than a destination. It is an awakening. A call to explore beyond the familiar and step into the extraordinary. Here, luxury is not just around you, it's what you feel, what you taste, what you live. A floating world, crafted from wood, wind, and wonder. A place where every detail is curated, not just for comfort, but for connection. And beneath the surface, a quieter world calls. But silent places can speak loudly if you slow down enough to listen. And above it all, the journey unfolds. Golden light dances across the deck, sails billowing in the wind. The horizon stretches endlessly, not as a boundary, but as a promise to reconnect with nature, with others, and with oneself.